Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you Harbor Me by Jacqueline Woodson, and this is one of this year's Lone Star books. So if you are not familiar with what the Lone Star program is, when your class comes to the library, I will fill you in on all of the great things that are Lone Star and inform you on how you can possibly go on a free field trip. So in this one, it all starts with 6 kids who the school has decided is struggling academically, and they think that if they can gain better social skills, that it will help them academically. So these 6 kids are forced to meet in a classroom every week by themselves with no adult supervision and just talk. So at first they have no idea what they're going to talk about. They don't know each other, they're not friends, and they're not willing to share their secrets. But as time passes, we begin to hear about one student's struggle with his dad possibly being deported, another who has a father in prison, another who is afraid of racial profiling, and another who is afraid of his own family fortune. So over time, they do begin to trust each other, and they do begin to realize that by expressing their feelings and their fears that they hide from the rest of the world, it makes them stronger and braver to face everything outside of that classroom. So if you are interested in Harbor Me, you will check that out from your Wayside Library. And just a reminder that all of your English classes are scheduled to come to the library, and once you have had your library orientation, then you will be allowed to check out books at that time. So again, see you soon, and this is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.